Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with an update of what's been going on. I know you guys are probably wondering where the videos have been. I've had some personal things come up with family and also with work, and I've been stepping aside a little bit with YouTube. But the good thing is, I have been actually able to get some work in the queue that is scheduled to come out while I'm working on some of the big productions. I've got a lot of scheduled work that I have coming on for the next several days. Um, the last part of February and even into March, and even a couple of days in April. I do have a couple of videos for April that will be just scheduled to come out because I've been actually cleaning out my phone. I take some videos, and sometimes when you take videos over time, you forget of how much footage you have left. So I do have some scheduled dates for some footage. Let me pull it up here on the in the lineup here. I have February, let's see, the 22nd and the 24th, 26th, and 27th, all for February. Multiple schedule releases. And then March 6th, I have some. That's four to be exact. March 12th, I have four. March 20th, I have four. March 27th, I have three. Uh, and April 24th, I actually have one. So, yeah. So I do have some older scheduled work that's there, and I also have one on April the 3rd. So I've just been kind of spanning some of this out to kind of give the channel a little bit of variety while I'm working on some of the big stuff. I know that there hasn't been a premiere in a while, and I apologize. It's just with N-scale work and also some unboxings I've been able to get done and some progress on that. I've been focusing some time on that. Still getting the big trains when I can. It's just time has not been hasn't been right yet. But kicking off 2022 along Tidewater Rails is very close of being finished, and also spring along Tidewater Rails, that's going to be in the works here real soon. So you're definitely going to be wanting to look out for this one because I've already started it as of tonight. I've been able to get a couple that I'm just going to throw in to the next project because the last catch in this video, the one that I'm getting ready to finish, is actually the highlight. So that project is, for the most part, done. Just a few little minor things, and that's it. So work is picking back up in the studio. I do have another N-scale haul. It's just a switch that I got for N-scale. I'm going to go ahead and spoil it now, but I did get a switch for N-scale and did also a quick installation how-to within that video. That project will be a scheduled release sometime down the road. Since I've got so much scheduled release stuff right now, I'll be scheduling that sometime later in March or maybe even April. So that's already done. I just got to go ahead and get it out there. So, but that's pretty much what's been going on. A lot of schedule work has been done, and also been going through videos on my phone and just trying to get some of the older stuff out. There's even a few files in there from 2020. So they're going to be coming out here real soon. And some older 2021 footage that I even forgot I even had. So that's going to be all be coming out real soon. So anyway, guys, that's what I have right now. The February Q&A prompt is still out there for at least another couple 3 days. Actually, let me think here. Let me look at the calendar real quick. You actually still have another 6 days in counting. 6 days. It's a little bit further back on the channel. Take about 2 weeks ago. Then I'll get Marches out on the 1st of March. So definitely going to be a good time there. And also Model Railroad Mondays. The next episode uh, will be March the 7th. Tentative time, probably 6 p.m. I'm going to be probably changing the time on that. So that's that. Besides a bunch of scheduled releases right now, that is pretty much it. So things will be picking back up, guys. Just bear with me as I go through this hump. And I probably will be able to find some time to get some premieres out there. So definitely going to be a good time for the channel. Definitely going to be a busy one. So definitely stay tuned for the latest updates. So, as always, guys, remember to smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and please hit that subscribe button. And please remember to tap the notification bell for all the latest updates. And uh, but really and truly, thank you to all my current subscribers who are subscribed to my channel and watch my content, and for liking it and dropping the thumbs up on there and leaving a comment. Your support means the world, not only to me, but for the future of this channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed the upcoming schedule release work that I have. And more premieres will be coming up soon, guys. So definitely stay tuned for that, and even more live streams. So definitely ring that notification bell. Thank you, guys. I hope you guys have a good evening, and I will see you soon. Until next time, this is Engineer Pat 5290 out.